Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. Today you are seeing freehand painting Irum flower on the dupatta. It's a semi-silk dupatta. I do order works and I take online professional courses. Those who are interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and freehand painting and many more. Irum flower is in leaf shape and I have taken pink fabric color and I have made the outline first and I have used 6 or 8 number brush you can use. I have taken and then I have applied medium and spread the color. This flower is very beautiful and you can do it freehand very easily, and I have used this glitter, golden glitter, as you can see. After painting you have to leave it for some time as it takes little more time to dry up because of this golden glitter. You can paint these flowers in different directions so the dupatta looks more beautiful. I have short and long courses, basic and advanced courses starting from 500 onwards, and I have 1000 rupees courses also, tanjore on blouses. Fabric painting lovers, do try this flower as it is very easy and beautiful on your dresses, sarees and tops. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and techniques in painting. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.